Introducing the next big productivity advancement in engineering. Global Edge Engineering Assistant. Designed for sheet metal fabricators to increase engineering productivity and capacity. Global Edge Engineering Assistant is your engineer's personal assistant to reduce and eliminate labor-intensive workflow tasks for quoting, engineering, and preparing information for the shop floor. Global Edge Engineering Assistant is built around SolidWorks to provide your engineering team with an on-demand virtual assistant to increase productivity. Global Edge Engineering Assistant automates labor-intensive engineering workflow tasks that includes the analysis of your sheet metal CAD parts to drive quoting and the processing of daily orders. This includes manufacturability testing of your sheet metal CAD parts before they leave engineering to help eliminate shop floor rework. This also includes the facilitating of automated programming of press brakes, panel benders, and robotic folders. This can be accomplished in 4 simple and practical steps. Step 1 starts with the automated analysis of your sheet metal CAD parts. This starts with the importation of complete CAD part parameters to drive manufacturability testing and band program generation. This process saves significant time by eliminating the manual analysis of your CAD parts. Step 2 provides the automatic batch generation of DXF flat files from your SolidWorks sheet metal parts. This includes the automated unfolding of either a single or large batch of SolidWorks sheet metal parts to generate DXF flat files, sorted by material, thickness, and optionally including by job date and cutting method. This also includes the addition of extended data to the DXF flat files to facilitate automatic bend program generation. Step 3 includes manufacturability testing of your sheet metal parts before they leave engineering. A key function included with Global Edge is manufacturability testing. This automatically determines if a part can be successfully fabricated before reaching the shop floor. This process includes identifying all the entities contained within a sheet metal part and storing this information in the Global Edge database. This entity data is then compared with the matching bend process. As the comparisons are calculated by the Global Edge software, results are generated to determine if the part can be successfully fabricated with your bending machine tools. Global Edge will identify part fabrication errors such as pen holes too close to bend line, maximum bend tonnage greater than process allows, part too big for bend process, bend angle exceeds maximum allowed. Step 4, the final step, is the automated preparation of shop floor data for bend programming, nestings, and scheduling. Global Edge includes an automated work queue that automatically processes your daily production information. This includes the automatic importation of CAD part parameters and the automatic generation of DXF flat files. Global Edge also generates optional routing steps based on the CAD part parameters. This information is automatically added to the DXF flat file as extended data that can be utilized by your CAM bending, nesting and scheduling software. All this information is formatted and prepared for the shop floor. Global Edge adds properly formatted extended data to the DXF flat files to facilitate automated bend program generation. DXF flat files are provided to the nesting software including optional adjustments to bend radius and K factors. Global Edge supplies your scheduling software with optimal routing steps to aid in the scheduling process. Global Edge provides the shop floor with accurate and timely information. Global Edge is proven software technology that can save your company thousands of engineering hours each year while providing your shop floor with accurate and timely information. The Global Edge Engineering Assistant has been successfully implemented at small, medium, and large-scale manufacturing operations and has saved them thousands of engineering hours each year. This includes Cooper Power Systems, which achieved significant success with the Global Edge Engineering Assistant. To see how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company, you can try the software before you buy it. This includes a 30-day software trial with full functionality. To schedule a demonstration, and receive software pricing, and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity, and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.